Tissokta tfittxija għal Jeffrey Morgan, ir-raġel ta' 80 sena li jeb il-ħadd li għadda f'Għawdex. L-aħħar li djer kien ħiereġ mill-appartament tiegħu f'Einsilem. Carol Morgan, bint l-anzjan tgħidilna fuq l-aħħar darba li rat lill-missiera.
The last time we saw him was about 11:15 on Sunday the 5th of June. We were going to sit down and eat, and my mother thought he was with me and I thought he was with my mother. And what he must have done was gone down, opened the front door of the flats and gone out.
Tgħidilna li missiera ibati mid-dimensja.
When he realised he was lost because he has dementia, which is the problem, he would have asked somebody, I'm looking for my wife, I'm looking for my daughter.
Ixwejja huwa raġel ta' statura medja, xaru qasir u ta' kulur gris, huwa twil madwar 6 piedi.
He was wearing khaki shorts and a striped t-shirt which was quite distinctive because it was maroon and grey with wide stripes. But underneath it he had a second t-shirt on that was navy blue, so he may have taken one off by now.
L-anzjan huwa ta' nazzjonalità Ingliża iżda nepotija tiegħu tgħix Għawdex. Iż-żewġ ħutu bniet jgħixu wkoll Malta fil-waqt li n-nanna ta' Carol hija Maltija.
My appeal is if you think you've seen anybody that could be my father, to please go to the police, and if if you're out walking with your dogs, please look, because now we're kind of getting to the point where we think that something tragic has happened.
It-tfittxija r-raġel qed tkun ikkonċentrata fl-akwati ta' bejn ix-Xatt l-Aħmar u Mġarrixxini, medda ta' kważi 3 km kwadri. Tfittxija li qed issir mid-Dipartiment tal-Protezzjoni Ċivili permezz ta' 3 tiklieb imħarġin għat-tfittxija tan-nies.